Hey guys, are you ready to start this video or what?
Let's do it.
Alright, come on, Mitch. We're starting the video.
Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are riding RC trucks once again, and we are bringing all this trucks out. Brian, what do we got?
We got buggy for Danielle.
We got the infraction.
And then we got our brand new, well, new servo.
New servo in the Mojave, and then we have my Sentin over here, and then guys, we will bring out the new truck to the channel, which you guys have not seen yet. It's gonna be fun, so let's go ahead and rip the trucks that you've seen already, and then we'll break out the new truck. Alrighty guys, so we got the new truck. It is a Traxxas Rustler 4x4. We got 3 cells running through it. We're gonna go ahead and take it out for a rip.
Oh yeah, rip it up, Mitch.
Brian, are we gonna whip out yours or what?
Alright, fuck it.
Brian, what are we looking at?
Here. Oh God, it's like a virgin. Look, Mitch.
What is it, Brian? What's the model?
Typhoon Arma. Look at that bad boy.
Brand new.
Okay.
3 cells or 4 cells?
4 to 6, baby.
4 to 6. Spectrum
Look at
system.
that fucking motor.
Spectrum system, everything.
Shit.
We're gonna go ahead and take mine for a rip, and then we'll take Brian's for a rip.
Bad. Oh! Whoa! Okay.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, and that concludes today's videos on the RC trucks. And guys, today we had lots of fun. We spent about 4.5 hours out there racing the trucks. We didn't do any street trucks this time just because we wanted to get as much dirt time as we possibly could. Other than that, guys, that concludes today's video. We do have to do a couple more fine tuning to the trucks, the Sentin, as well as the new Traxxas, which you guys will see here in the next couple videos. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys would like this video. If you did, please just give this video a like. And if you have not already, subscribe to Quad Boss Lee so you see more fun videos like this one. And guys, we'll catch you on the next one.